is an entry towards Shaktipat Yoga. I feel, I am sure that you will have good enjoyment by this practice, which is supposed to be the introduction toward the Shaktipat, that is the awakening of the Kundalini. That is very apart, but for this practice can be tried by anybody. Air is with you. There is no caste creed, is not necessary for the air with you, coming in or going out. These are all outward. When they enter, when the air enters, then everybody has his own province, different, all caste, creeds, religions, all there are there. Without this Prana Shakti or the consciousness, no religion can exist. He may be Hindu, he may be Muslim, everybody will require this mother energy. And that is what on the first I heard, that because we have got the same mother, air is our mother, mother energy is there, we are all brothers. Differences are bound to be there. World cannot be created without differences. So differences are there, but unity in diversity. Diversities are there. But one thing is there for all the people, which cannot be denied. No, conversations may be there, but it cannot be denied. No, it cannot be rejected. That we are all one, because we have got the only one mother. Mother air is there for all the people. You may be residing in Australia, you may be residing in Russia, China, but air is the same, or everywhere. And that we feel that this may be one of the factors to bring the world closer together. Universal brotherhood can be established by this principle, because we are having the only one air which cannot be denied away, because air is the essence of our life. If the air is there, you can have the body. If the air is not there, body has no importance. If the air is there, mind is there. If the air is not there, mind cannot exist. You get the point? So we will learn, all of us try to have this universal brotherhood can be established. So this kind of is another point. Then initiation is another part. Who will say that some rules are there, then who is going to that? Another point, that you can have your own. We will give some, our books are there, that you can consider yourself. There is no hesitation or obstination that you should know, not at all. But this particular introductory study can be done by anybody. And you are, the more you realize, now here you are all one, but when you are in your house, when you are having some awakening in the night itself, you say, no, I am only air. This object, this deity, mother energy is with already everywhere and every time, because from the childhood to the last end of our life, this will not leave you. We say always that you are my very good friend. It's all right. But if some differences are there, you will say no. We will not agree to each other. But can this air stay with you like that? I think the only friend with you is the air, which is always with you from the beginning to the last end. So we have to consider that. This is some kind of, this is some, this initiation is also done. I will just read out some what happens after. That I am just going to read that. I will just let you know. I am Andhra. A man. Now this initiation is some rules are there, of course. You see, you have to follow some particular path, then other paths will have to be kept apart. So for that, what we say is that when we are one man from India, here he said that I will have, let me have this initiation. On 29/1, that is January, 29 January 2001, he was asked to sit at that place. I had not seen him, but he has accepted, I will sit. I will follow the rules. That's all right. Then, the next day, 30th January, he has written a letter to me. I will just read out that what is the path that you will slightly know about it. Deep appreciation, thankfulness and satisfaction to invite Hegde. I must tell you that this initiation is not my initiation, it is the initiation of the mother energy, which will enter and do all the kind of purification. But he has given mine because I had directed to sit like that, therefore. But all this Gurutva or the highest authority is the mother energy which is ruling the whole world. For his kindness in blessing with this Shaktipat Diksha, Shaktipat Diksha is entering of the mother energy when he has wish. Then only intervene, not otherwise. This wish is more important. This January 29, 2001, 6 a.m. according to his watch, I had asked him to sit. East USA, sat in room at home. Address 76 Ionia, Army Mendham NJ Parasbalbi, New Jersey, as instructed from India. Then he is explaining, lo and behold, what a remarkable and wonderful thing. The Kundalini Shakti definitely acted. When accepted and he is given that, I will follow the rules. Then he has, the Kundalini Shakti definitely acted, the internal power started within him. Sat until 7:30 am. He started at what time? 6 o'clock. When he opened eyes, it was 7:30. He said, the excellent beauty, clarity and simplicity of this sadhana or path. In what? What is the secret of this? Lies in its allow this divine Shakti. You want to allow the divine Shakti or the power. The flowing air, allow her to do whatever she wants to do, not what you want to do. Because if you want to do something, I will come. But if everything is going automatically, so he says, do the work of purification. It is called to allow the divine Shakti to do the work of purification. It will purify the body, it will purify the mind, and both can be purified by, because air is the master of all the world. Because the air is there, body is there. Because the air is there, mind is there. She will purify both the things without any kind of expertise or any kind of exertions. This is a wonderful one. And therefore he says, he is again explaining me, telling me, it is so easy. He says, simply sit relaxed for meditation and Shakti takes over. The internal power will try to have all kinds of dirt, dust and whatever unnecessary thought will be all removed. And the tranquility and the calmness and quiet, as you have much observed slightly, it will automatically come. Which has done because the body is detached slightly. The mind is also asked that only air is there, because the air is there, mind is there. We have given importance not to the mind, which is always troubling us. Without air, mind cannot exist. You get what I wanted to say? So then he said, this is, Shakti takes over. This is greatly helped and often possible by Shakti happening by a competent master. Once again, thank you, Guru and sacred lineage. This is a tradition. This tradition, which requires no eligibility, I have already explained. I think that what we are trying now, we are having a further step. So kindly hear that. The further step is that I have told, sirs, all your mothers and brothers, that we are one because the mother is the same, air is our mother, which nobody can deny. So we have practiced in Maharashtra and our India. I given the name, at a particular time, you go on sitting like this, whatever we have tried. Like that, now we are having a trial, the global trial, because all the world, diversity may be there, but our mother is the same. Correct? So this global trial will be taken on 27th, that is today is 25th. So on 27th, you ask your all friends to sit like that, whatever I have taken. Again I am repeating, eyes closed, very easy. The backbone, immediately you can, when immediately you close the eyes, a minute wave comes in the brain. Think that the body is not there and you have to meditate only upon the automatic flow of the air. You can convey this message to all the people in the world, whatever is possible for you. You either by advertising techniques also you can, but you can just have no money required. I have started, in the start I have told, cheapest, I have not taken any money from you to tell this. Simplest, you have to do anything. What can be there so strange that you are not to do anything but things will happen because the flow is definitely going to take place, whether your body is there or not. In our country, waves of the sea came and about 1.25 lakhs just expired. Some water was drunk by them. But the important thing is, both all the lives were off. But the Prana Shakti has not been touched at all because whatever the expiration and inhalation was doing, the air came out, the bodies were not there because bodies have such importance. You get what I wanted to say? I want to say that, sir, the most important thing is the air, Mother, and we have to worship the great Mother. And for that we are having on 27th of this, that is, today is Saturday, Monday and Sunday, and on Monday we have given some time, some good time. According to Almanac or some good thing. From 6:24 to 6 in the morning. 6:24 to 6:45. 21 minutes, all in the world should see that. Thinking that we are one. That oneness can be, brotherhood can be established without any discussion, without any kind of difference of opinion. So let us see whether it can be established properly and this universal brotherhood also can be established. I think whatever I wanted to say about this Siddha Yoga, I have taken the practical for introduction toward this Siddha Yoga, which can be practiced by anybody when the belly is full, after the meals, after some eating is there, because that should not be done practically 2-3 hours, because you have given for the life force has for digesting that energy will be consumed. So after 3 to 4 hours, then you can try this at any time. This is Siddha Yoga. In short, I have described. I think you might have appreciated, and this can be, especially this global trial, Vishwa Sanchar, that we can have this kindly pass on to your friends for sitting without any kind of differences. Differences are there in the world. Man and women, differences are there, but in both, air is common. Caste, different castes are there. In every religion, the castes are there, but no caste, no religion, nothing can be there unless the mother energy, the air is there. Air is the mother for all. So let us have this kind of global trial, be a successful, kindly grace. Have your graces with me also, so that the grace of the whole mother will also be with you definitely. Thank you very much. Very kind of you to hear me so silently. And whatever I have, please think over the matter what I have stated. Now the topic is open for discussion. If you want to ask any questions regarding the Siddha Yoga, because Siddha Yoga, Prana is Siddha. Air is not to be proved. Air is already proved. What is to be proved for the air? That mother is already proved. There is no necessity to prove that she is mother, because it is the essence of every. It may be ant, it may be elephant, or it may be whatever. We are thinking only of the human beings only. Let us try to congregate and have a gathering of all the human beings first of all, then we will learn toward the other animals.
So Monday morning at 6:21.
Any point?
Monday morning.
No point?
Monday morning 6:24 a.m.
You can answer because I am not able to properly understand.